How to change profile picture on BeReal. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the profile picture. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see your profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. So here on the right top, you'll be able to see settings. Tap on settings. So these are the settings interface. Again, on the top, you'll be able to see your username and profile. Simply tap on it. Now on the top at the circle option, simply tap on it. So here you can directly choose your profile picture. Here you can even directly click it from your camera. Here I'm choosing photo library. Now here simply select the profile picture that you want to change. Here I'm tapping on one. Now you can adjust and crop the profile picture however you like. At last, simply tap on save and you're done. So your profile picture has been updated. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.